What's up guys, I'm 𝔸𝕬𝕒. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing Fenty Beauty's new EAZE Drop Blurring Skin Tint. I feel like we've all been waiting for like a tinted moisturizer from Fenty, and now we finally have it. I already knew that I was going to buy it, but I wasn't sure if I was going to review it. Fenty Beauty is one of those brands that's pretty good with PR, so like if you're on the list, you're getting the products beforehand. So before the product is even out, there's so many amazing creators that already put out content. I thought I'll do the video anyways for those of you who are similar in tone and like to watch my reviews. So let's go ahead and get started. I know I've been missing for a little bit. I went to LA with my boyfriend, like, was it a week ago? Everything's just been like all over the place. Like, I do have videos that I need to edit, but I feel like this review was more like time sensitive, so here we are. I got my notebook and I just wrote down all the things that I needed to know about this foundation for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into the details. Okay, so they call it a skin tint. It's lightweight, buildable, and provides light to medium coverage. It's humidity proof, sweat proof, and transfer resistant. I mean, I've never had a tinted moisturizer that was any of those things, so we're gonna see. It's also vegan, cruelty free, and gluten free, and it's $29. I feel like Fenty is one of those up there brands, but I feel like their products are always reasonably priced. I've never bought anything from them and was like kind of taken aback by the price. I got mine in shade 17. With this release, Fenty made like a grid of like shade references. I think they kind of always do that, but this time they did it with comparing to the shades of their own foundation, so that was really helpful. And according to that grid, I'm shade 17, so hopefully that works out today. So let me go ahead and move my hair back. I mean, like, how you guys feeling my hair? I was kind of feeling like a Y2K 2000s kind of vibe, and yeah, it's not perfect, but it's cute. And you guys know that like all of my hair accessories are from my brand 𝔸𝕤𝕒. This piece isn't on the site yet. It's a part of my spring collection, which will be coming out soon. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this application. I love the e.l.f. Puff primer. Like, it's my favorite primer, and I feel like it's very well-rounded. It could go with any foundation. It's just like a cream, and it's very moisturizing. Okay, according to the site, they just want you to shake well before you apply it, and I'm not really one of those girls that like to use their fingers to apply makeup. It's just really not my thing. I don't like the feeling of having makeup on my hands. But let's go ahead and see the texture. I mean, it's not really that runny. Okay, I'm gonna try one side with my hands, even though I really don't want to. I forgot to mention to you guys that I am Fenty shade 385. This is looking pretty light to me, but maybe once it's all blended out, it'll look better. I don't know. This color isn't it. Let me use my Morphe E63 brush. They do say that this skin tint is buildable, so you could go from light to medium coverage with it. This skin tint does not have any SPF in it, and I know that was something that a lot of girls was checking for. Like, most skin tints or tinted moisturizers have SPF, but this one doesn't. Okay, so this is what it's looking like on this side of my face. I think it did a pretty good job at evening out my skin, and I do see a little bit of the blurring effect. You can still see some of my blemishes, but it's really not bad. I would like to note that it's not really giving like that glowy skin that like tinted moisturizers are known for. Maybe it's because of whatever ingredients that they're using to blur, that it's not giving like glowy skin. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this side of my face. Okay guys, what do you think about the color? I think now that it's kind of dried down, I think it's a pretty good match. It looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a close-up. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed through the rest of my makeup using mostly Fenty Beauty products, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. My makeup is all done and I am loving the way my makeup came out today, and I'm also loving the way my skin looks as well. If you guys have seen any of my videos before, I tend to love more skin-like finishes for my foundation, except for the NARS Soft Matte. This one, I love this foundation, even though it's not up the alley of like natural skin type of foundation. It's flawless. But yeah, let me show you guys an up close. But yeah, I love the way my skin looks. It's giving me fresh skin. It's, even though it's not on the dewy side of like what you would think a tinted moisturizer would be, I'm not really feeling the moisture right now either. As you guys saw, I did set my face and do everything the way I normally do it. So this is set. I'm going to try to wear it for a few hours to see how it holds up throughout the day. If I did not mention, I do have combination oily skin with an oily T-zone, and everywhere else is like pretty much normal. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go on with my day, and I'll be back with a update. Hey guys, I'm back. It is now around 8 o'clock. I've had the skin tint on since around 3 o'clock, so that's roughly 5 hours of wear. I didn't really leave the house today, so I didn't really get to test it out with humidity and sweat and all that, but I did take a nap. But yeah, let's look at it up close. I'm not gonna lie, it looks just as good as when I left. Let me go ahead and give you guys a close-up. Like, I only see a little bit of oil right here, but it's really not a lot. I think the ultimate test would be like a full day outside. When I posted this on my Instagram, one of my friends said that she tried it, but she doesn't really think it should be called a tinted moisturizer, and I totally agree. It doesn't say that on the packaging either, but because it has a lighter strength of coverage, you usually kind of put that in the tinted moisturizer category, but it's not very moisturizing. And I think the fact that it's not really that moisturizing helps with the longevity of being able to wear it throughout the day, and for it to be semi-transfer proof and humidity proof and sweat proof, that would be very hard to do if it's hydrating. So yeah, I wouldn't categorize it as a tinted moisturizer. And I do think the hydrating formula of the Fenty foundations is a lot more hydrating than this one is. With all that being said, I still really like it. I think it gives the perfect amount of coverage for like a natural skin like finish. Also, I would like to mention that Sephora's having their spring sale, so I would suggest for anybody who does want to try anything that could be sold at Sephora just to wait a little bit to get between 10 to 20% off. If you're an insider, which is like the base level, you guys get 10% off, and that starts the 15th. If you're a VIB, you get 15% off, and that starts the 13th. And if you're a Rouge, it starts the 9th, and you get 20% off. I mean, I could have waited, but I wanted to get this video up for you guys. That wraps up today's video. I highly recommend trying out the skin tint, and if you guys have tried it, let me know down below how it worked out for you. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you aren't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.